Hi everybody, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and I have a really fun blend for you today. This is a citrus mint bathroom spritz, and it's going to take you just a few seconds to make it. It's so easy to make, and it smells incredible. So I have a 2-ounce glass spray bottle, and I filled it with water. I used filtered water. You could use distilled water, that would be fine too. And it just has lime and peppermint in it. And lime and peppermint, they are best friends. They smell so good together. They're so refreshing and uplifting to spray actually in any room. I called it a bathroom spray, but you could use this in any room that you want. I also use it in my car sometimes. So it has 5 drops of lime and 3 drops of peppermint. And the lime, oh my gosh, so bright. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is sparkling, it's sweet, it's refreshing. It reminds me of just being in a citrus orchard. It reminds me of fresh fruit in the house. So great and clean. It's got a really clean smell. And then the peppermint, we'll put 3 drops in. And wait till you smell these two together. You're gonna love it. So 2, 5 and 3 drops. Okay, so 5 lime and 3, 1, 2, 3 peppermint. Good. And together, you're not really going to be able to stop spraying it. I'm telling you, you're just going to love it. So you just give it a little shake. Since oil and water doesn't mix, right before you use it each time, just give it a little shake. And then it's not a body spritz, it's just for the air. So I'm just going to spray it in the air. And then, so good. When people come in your house, they're going to say, what is that smell? It smells incredible. I want to read you a fun little story that I wrote about peppermint in my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy. This is a recipe from the book. And in the book, I played with the oils and gave them some personality to help you remember their properties. Because you know how it is, stories always help us remember. So I thought, why not? Let's write some stories. And here's the story about peppermint. You ready? Okay. It's called Go Out on the Town with Peppermint. Peppermint is ultra cool and is always leaving a good impression on its friends. You'll be hard-pressed to find someone who doesn't adore peppermint after getting to know it. It loves to relieve stress and have fun, and it brings a breath of fresh air everywhere it goes. Peppermint loves to take friends out on the town for dinner and dancing. By the way, lime loves to dance too. You'll enjoy a meal full of delicious foods, and peppermint will be there to help you digest just in case you get too full. Peppermint doesn't want anything to get in the way of your good time. If you're feeling a little under the weather, peppermint will make a congestion clearing blend to help you feel better. If you have a headache, peppermint will be right there to ease your head and massage your sore muscles. It will even put a soft lavender scented eye pillow over your eyes so the peppermint fumes don't bother you. Your friend Peppermint may keep you up late, but it will also help you get up the next morning. In the morning, visit with Peppermint, and it can help you get a fresh start to your day. Peppermint is simply a reliable friend, there for you anytime you need to be uplifted. So if you can remember that story, then it reveals all these properties of how you might use peppermint essential oil in your everyday life. But for this video, it's all about this gorgeous spritz for the bathroom. So enjoy it. Let me know how you like it, okay? All right, bye for now.